Over $40 for a tiny 1-ounce tube. Is the Paula's Choice 10 Azelaic Acid Booster truly a miracle cure for red acne marks? Or just another clever marketing scam? I have completely emptied the tubes of this stuff to find out. In today's video, I am going to expose the absolute truth about its ingredient list and how it actually reacts on sensitive skin. Most importantly, I will tell you if it is actually worth swiping your credit card for. Let us talk about why you have been using vitamin C forever, but your acne marks are still not fading. There is a massive difference between post-inflammatory hyperpigmentation, which are brown spots, and post-inflammatory erythema, which is the angry red marks left behind by breakouts. If you have active inflammation and red marks, applying vitamin C can actually irritate your skin further and make things worse. This is exactly where the Paula's Choice 10 Azelaic Acid Booster steps in to save the day, instead of aggressively exfoliating your skin. This 10% azelaic acid is smartly formulated alongside salicylic acid. This specific combination directly targets and soothes redness, calms down active inflammation, and is incredibly effective for rosacea-prone skin. Now, let us get totally honest about the texture and how it feels in real life when you apply it directly to your skin. It absorbs incredibly fast and leaves a beautiful, oil-controlling matte finish. However, I need to warn you about a very real issue that nobody talks about. Because this formula contains silicone, it is extremely prone to pilling and rolling off your face if you layer it over a thick skincare routine or under physical sunscreens. Do not worry, because I found the absolute perfect hack to solve this. Instead of applying it directly to bare skin, mix 2 to 3 drops of this booster into your favorite simple night moisturizer. This completely eliminates the pilling issue and also stops any potential stinging sensation if your skin is currently compromised. Let us look at the actual results and talk about the return on your investment. After 4 weeks of consistent use, my stubborn red marks faded significantly, and my overall skin tone looked so much more even and calm. So, is it truly worth the high price tag? If your skin only has normal brown hyperpigmentation, you should save your money and buy a basic, affordable niacinamide serum instead. But if your face is constantly dealing with stubborn red marks, active breakouts, and a compromised, sensitive skin barrier, this changes everything. Investing in the Paula's Choice 10 Azelaic Acid Booster is actually so much cheaper and far less painful than paying for expensive laser recovery treatments at a dermatology clinic. Ultimately, this is a completely worthwhile investment if you are struggling with an inflamed, acne-prone complexion. To make sure you do not end up with a counterfeit product, which is unfortunately super common online right now, I have got you covered. I put the link to buy the authentic Paula's Choice 10 Azelaic Acid Booster on Amazon right in the first line of the video description below. You can confidently click that link right now to check out the current pricing and secure the genuine product. Choosing the right ingredient for your dark spots is crucial. But for your skin to absorb it perfectly, you need to know how to deep clean your pores first. Click on the video currently on your screen, where I will guide you on how to use BHA the right way to double the power of this azelaic acid. Thank you so much for hanging out with me today, and I will see you over in that next video.